Hi all, I'm Edwin Abhishek, alumni of BVM Global at Perumudi. I passed out in the year 2020. So I think I joined my school when I was in my 4th grade, which was 9 years back in 2011. I remember the first day coming to the school crying, holding my mom's hand and not letting go of her. Being a 4th standard kid, yes, I was ashamed, but still my teachers never took it wrong. They were always with me. They made me overcome the change in the environment, friends, students, teachers and everything. And I changed from a matriculation board to a CBSE board. So we might all know how tough it is for a student to get to the level of a CBSE board. And yeah, I struggled in the beginning years, but my teachers were always there for me. And the speciality of my school is that till 5th standard we can all wear color dress, and that was something that amazed me and which made me think like it was like going from my home to another home. It never felt like going to a school. And we did not have any exams, or we were not pressurized. We just had periodic tests, and instead of tests we will have a lot of group activities, individual projects and oral activities. It was not basically a paper pen kind of an examination which was held for us. And it really made me feel more comfortable to the new environment, school and teachers. And in my school, there is no book learning. Basically, we are taught through PPTs and educative videos, and you can ask how many ever doubts you want, and teachers would never resist that. So that is the main point which I like of my school. And the principal, vice principal, anyone was like really approachable, and we also had like a more fun learning than a stressful learning. And academic wise, the school gave us a lot of training before the board exams, and it was never a pressure for us from the school. They always encouraged us than depreciate us. It was more of a you can do it, nothing much. They gave us motivation. They made us motivate our own self, which gave us a good result now. And we had a lot of co-scholastic activities. I'm really telling, we have a lot of co-scholastic activities. We have robotics, and as we all know, it is the growing field right now in the world. We used to have 2 periods of robotics a week till 11th standard. And we have Kalaripaya too, which is a martial art, which is right now required for anyone for their personal safety. We used to have yoga classes, and we have PT periods I think twice in a week, and we like really can burst out the stress which we were facing throughout the class sessions in the PT periods. And we were sent for culturals. Many culturals. We were exposed to many students, how competitive the world was. We got to know through those cultural events. Everyone was given an equal opportunity to go to any cultural event. Even though we lose, we are never depreciated. We were just like good. According to my school, participation is what is needed than winning. So even they teach us leadership qualities. Like we my batch hosted Bhavyam Culturals in 2018. By which me and 2 other students were the main coordinators. It was a new experience for me, organizing an event for the school, bringing in students from other school, arranging judges, chief guests, certificates, trophies, food stalls. I learned how to manage, control things, and also involved in group works. The morning class assembly is hosted by the students. Every student has to walk on the stage and talk or give the news or any topic they have to talk on. Even though we may flutter sometimes, but we were never stopped from going on the stage. according to my school, every mistake makes you grow bigger, so and better in that field. So we were never depreciated. Even though we made mistakes, we were never pushed down or not given an opportunity. We also hosted inter-school and intra-school sports events, and it was a mix of both teachers and students where we could coordinate and conduct events. And we also had something called as inter-house culturals, where we students belonging to different houses, Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Kaveri, had to compete with each other in many events in a very friendly way. And it happens on Children's Day. It is Shrujan. It's actually called Shrujan, the cultural event. And on Children's Day, this whole cultural takes place. Anyone and everyone can participate in these culturals, and it was really fun. I can tell it was really fun. And no one was stopped. No one was like, no, you should not go. Everyone had to go. Everyone can go. And talking about my teachers, they were really, 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 really friendly and loving. They gave individual attention to every student. They never partialize in my school, and everyone is given an equal opportunity to talk in anywhere. And my teachers were really supportive to me in my most tough times, by which I will never forget them. And the management is always student friendly. We never had any complaints with our school. It was a pleasure studying at BVM Global for me. I'm indeed honored. I'm indeed honored to have been studied in BVM Global at Perungudi. So thank you, my teachers. Thank you to the management. Thank you, my principal and vice principal ma'am, for your continuous support. And I'm sure the school will grow bigger and bigger day by day. Thank you.